Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. The Feller Buncher machine represents a pinnacle of innovation in the forestry industry, merging robust performance with exceptional efficiency. Designed to streamline the process of felling and bundling trees, this powerful machine is a game changer for forestry operations. One of the standout features of the Feller Buncher is its ability to significantly enhance productivity. With its advanced cutting and handling capabilities, it can fell multiple trees in a single operation, drastically reducing the time and labor required compared to traditional methods. This not only speeds up the harvesting process, but also allows for more precise and controlled felling, minimizing damage to surrounding trees and the forest floor. The machine's efficiency is further highlighted by its fuel-efficient engine and hydraulic systems, which are engineered to deliver maximum power with minimal environmental impact. Operators can work longer hours with fewer refueling stops, ensuring continuous productivity throughout the day. Moreover, the ergonomic design of the Feller Buncher provides a comfortable and safe working environment, reducing operator fatigue and increasing overall job satisfaction. Technological advancements in the Feller Buncher also contribute to its superior performance. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and computer systems, the machine offers real-time data monitoring and diagnostics, allowing operators to make informed decisions on the fly and maintain optimal operating conditions. This leads to reduced downtime and lower maintenance costs, as potential issues can be identified and addressed before they escalate. After hundreds of pine trees are cut down, the next phase involves utilizing the JPS R5500 JPS machine. This sophisticated machine takes over the task of handling each log with precision. It cuts the logs to the required sizes before sending them to the wood processing factory, ensuring efficiency and consistency in the processing workflow. The JPS R5500 JPS is equipped with advanced features that make it a vital component in the lumber industry. One notable feature is the EcoLog 590E LogMax 7000C demo, which showcases the machine's capabilities in a real-world setting. This demonstration highlights the integration of the JPS rotary actuator with a 41cc saw motor. The rotary actuator is a key component that enables smooth and precise cutting actions, enhancing the overall performance of the machine. During the demonstration, the JPS R5500 JPS exhibits its ability to handle large volumes of logs swiftly and accurately. The 41cc saw motor provides the necessary power to cut through the dense wood, while the rotary actuator ensures each cut is clean and precise. This combination of power and precision is crucial for maintaining the quality of the logs as they are prepared for further processing at the factory. After hundreds of pine trees are harvested, the remaining pine tree tops will be crushed by the NHS 450, Claas-Zerian 3800 Hatterup machine to create nutrients for the next young forest. Process facilitated by the NHS 450 wood chipper, operated in tandem with the Claas-Zerian 3800 tractor in Hatterup. This robust machine setup plays a vital role in ensuring the sustainability and health of the forest ecosystem. The NHS 450 wood chipper is renowned for its exceptionally strong intake system. Its powerful mechanisms allow it to process treetops and branches up to 450 millimeters in diameter, effectively converting large pieces of wood into much smaller, manageable fragments. This wood chipper is engineered to produce wood chips that are approximately 35 millimeters in size, an optimal dimension for enhancing soil quality and promoting nutrient recycling within the forest. By chipping the treetops left behind after logging, the NHS 450 helps to create a nutrient-rich mulch. This mulch is then distributed over the forest floor, where it decomposes and releases vital nutrients back into the soil. These nutrients are crucial for the growth of the next generation of young pine trees, fostering a healthy, thriving forest ecosystem. Hundreds of felled pine trees were transported to the factory, marking the beginning of a meticulous and efficient process of converting raw timber into usable products. Upon arrival, the trees, with their thick, robust trunks, were lined up for the initial phase of processing. These trunks, which ranged in thickness from 180 to 250 millimeters, were a testament to the tree's years of growth and resilience. The factory operated with precision and efficiency, leveraging advanced machinery and skilled labor to achieve high productivity. The primary task was to cut the massive trunks into smaller, manageable pieces. This task required careful measurement and strategic cutting to maximize the yield from each trunk. The machinery used was state-of-the-art, capable of handling the heavy loads and ensuring clean, precise cuts. The productivity of the factory was impressive. On average, the facility processed 100 cubic meters of timber every 8 hours. This metric highlighted the efficiency and capability of both the machinery and the workers. Each piece of timber was cut to specification, ensuring minimal waste and optimal use of the material. The thick trunks, once cumbersome and unmanageable, were transformed into uniform pieces ready for further processing or direct use in construction, manufacturing, and other industries. The process not only emphasized the importance of precision and efficiency, but also underscored the factory's role in the supply chain of wood products. The cut pieces of timber were then subjected to further processing steps, such as drying, treating, and shaping, depending on their intended final use. This meticulous process ensured that the wood met industry standards and customer specifications, maintaining the integrity and quality of the pine throughout its transformation. The transportation and processing of hundreds of felled pine trees into smaller pieces demonstrated the factory's ability to handle large volumes of raw material with high efficiency. The combination of advanced technology and skilled labor resulted in a streamlined operation capable of producing significant quantities of high-quality timber, ready for various applications in the market.